the first hybrid intelligent binary system that pays commissions instantly. Introducing Winkore. Winkore combines an innovative business model with a revolutionary payment system that pays our members instantly. Here, everyone wins. Winkore offers its affiliates the best business opportunity in the industry, with one of the most aggressive compensation plans that will give entrepreneurs access to a binary compensation plan structure that combines a unique matrix for faster capitalization. No experience in the financial markets? No problem. Our products are made for you. Our goal is not to teach you how to become a professional trader, but to give you an opportunity to earn like one. You will get access to exclusive strategies and products to increase your chances to succeed in the financial market with our unique one-click profit products approach. And this is just the beginning. Every member is also an affiliate, and when you recommend our products to other people, you increase your earnings potential exponentially through our aggressive affiliate compensation plan that pays our affiliates instantly as soon as a sale is processed. It's fast, transparent, and 100% sustainable. With the new digital economy through the blockchain, it became simple to do business with people around the world. The way we do business in our world has changed, and Winkore is positioning you to be on the forefront of this revolution. Can you see how powerful this is? Winkore comes to be the bridge between product creator and the consumer from around the world. With Winkore, everyone wins. With Winkore, your success becomes a reality. Winkore, empowering entrepreneurs.